Hello, my friends. Are you ready to help me solve some problems? Great, because I have a big one today. Today, I need to help our flamingo friend get across the river. We're going to pretend that this blue folder is the river, and we need to get our flamingo friend from this side to the other side. Okay? So, hold on, let me figure out this little camera situation. Dun, 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 dun. Give us some space. Okay, so here's our river. And we need to get the flamingo from this side to this side. What I have to use to build our structure or our bridge are these blocks. So, how do you think I can go about building this bridge to help get the flamingo? We'll name him Francis. Francis the flamingo. How are we going to get Francis the flamingo from this side of the river to this side of the river without him touching the water? What could we build? I think I heard someone say we could build a bridge. Cool, let's build a bridge using our blocks. I have this type of block. It's my friend Memphis's blocks, but I'm sure he'll let me borrow them. If you have Legos, or if you have blocks kind of like this, or if you have like wooden blocks, you can use whatever building structures you have. Even if you don't have blocks, you could use cups, boulders, books, anything like that. So what I'm going to use these blocks, and I need to make sure that this flamingo can get across the river. So I'm going to make sure the bridge starts on this side because the flamingo's on this side. Francis, the flamingo, is on this side. And I need to make it so it goes over the river. Now, can I do things like, if I built it like this, let's say, will Francis get over the river? Yeah. One problem though. How's he going to get off the other side? Oh, I see what you're saying. So we also need something at the other side, right? Okay. What should I do with these ones? This doesn't look like a very steady bridge, does it? Would you want to walk across that? I'd be afraid. Well, maybe if we moved these guys like, like this, and we matched it like the other side, now how many more pieces do I need to finish the bridge? Probably just one more. So let's use this yellow piece, and then we can attach it. Look what we made. We made a bridge for Francis the flamingo. Now, the true test is, can Francis balance on this bridge? You want to find out? Yeah, me too. Let's see if the bridge can hold Francis's weight. Ready? Look it! The bridge works for Francis! It's perfect! So cool. Now, what's another way we could get Francis across the river? Remember, the only thing is he can't touch the water. Well, what can you go do in the water so you don't touch it, so you don't get wet? Well, yeah, you could wear boots. Your boots would get wet. Is there something you could ride in that you could take across the river so you wouldn't get wet? A boat or a jet ski? That's a great idea. Should we build a boat? Let's try to build a boat. Now, what does a boat look like? Let's see. Ooh, I found this piece. Maybe this could be like the back of the boat? Or should it be in the front because it has eyes? We can take these pieces off too. And maybe this piece could be the back of the boat. I'll leave it here. And let's see what other pieces I have. Do I have any longer pieces? These blue pieces. What if we put these pieces next to each other? And then we connected them with this piece. That kind of looks like a jet ski, right? And then, what else do I have? We could or we could spread it out like this and try to make it into a square, maybe. Ooh, I think Miss Carolyn's onto something. We're gonna make a square. We're gonna make a square. And then I'm gonna connect it like this. Boom. Do you see my boat taking shape now? It's gonna be exciting. Now, what should I do to finish off my boat? So this is the front of the boat with the eyeballs. What should I do to finish off the boat? So that way Francis is safe. Yeah, I should probably connect the back ends. That way his caboose doesn't get wet. So let's take these white pieces, connect it, but they're still a little loose. So what should I add? I should add probably one more piece, but where should I add it? Should I add it to these two pieces? Should I add it to these two pieces? Or should I add it to these two pieces? Yeah, let's add it to the two white pieces. Let's see what I can use. Does this work? Nope, that one won't fit. Let's try this orange one. Look it! Does that look like a little boat? Do you think it's going to keep Francis dry? Yeah, me too. Let's test it out. Okay, Francis, are you ready for your ride? Here we go. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Francis is nice and dry in his boat. What? Now that we know that he can safely get across the river in his boat, or he can safely get across the river on his bridge, let's count how many pieces it took to make each thing. Excuse me, Francis. So let's start with the bridge. How many pieces did it take us to make the bridge? Let's start on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It took us 9 pieces to build the bridge. Super cool. Now, let's count how many pieces it took us to build the boat. Let's start with the back and work our way to the front. Okay, so we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 pieces to make the boat. So which thing did we build? Which had more pieces in it when we built it? The boat or the bridge? Yeah, the boat has more pieces in it. We used more pieces to build the boat than we did the bridge. So, now what I want you to do is I want you to build your own bridge or boat, or both if you want to, and help your animal friends get across the river without touching the water. Show me what you do. I'm really excited to see it. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I can't wait to see you later. Bye.